In this video, we are going to review the document verification process. Most of the documents to review are the documents sent through the contributors' accounts. This verification step allows you to choose if you want to publish the document on your website or not. To check a document, you need to go on the document object. As you can see, there is a predefined view that only shows you the documents to check. You can use this view as a quick access to the list of documents to review. To validate a document, you need to click on its name. There you arrived on its form, where you can download, check, and edit if necessary all the metadata associated with this document. On the bottom right of the form, you can see 3 buttons that allow you to change the status of the document. If you're not quite sure yet, click on to check. If you don't want to publish the document, click on Not to Post. The document won't appear anymore on the Documents to Check view and will not be visible on the website. If you want to publish the document, click on To Be Posted. The document won't appear anymore on the Documents to Check view. This document will be visible on the documentary resource of the website.